Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon Rebel C60 RGB ATX case. So friends, Sharkoon has announced high performance PC components and peripherals with the C60 Sharkoon launching a new Rebel series PC case that this time aims to provide a particularly elegant presentation of the built-in hardware. The Rebel C60 RGB is already supplied with four 120 fans in the corresponding locations, and a particular eye-catcher among these addressable RGB fan is the water panel fan, which has been installed at an angle and front. The airflow of the Rebel C60 RGB can be further optimized. Thus, an additional 120 fan can be installed behind the mainboard tray, and three more can be placed under the top panel. Instead of the fan, the top panel also offers space for a radiator of up to 360 and in addition to these, up to three 3.5-inch HDDs or up to three 2.5-inch SSDs can be installed behind the mainboard tray in just a few steps. And the Rebel C60 RGB also offers enough space for a graphics card with a maximum length of 40 cm, a CPU cooler with a maximum height of 16.5 cm, and power supply unit with a maximum length of 27 cm. When it comes to connections, it has two USB 3.0 interfaces on the top of the case or a mobile device and modern headset. There is also USB Type-C connection and a TRRS port. So friend, if I talk about pricing, the suggested retail price is 109.90 euro. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.